In this video I'm going to show you how to get thick and long eyelashes with coconut oil and the results you should expect. Long and thick eyelashes will make a person's eyes look more beautiful and attractive. Eyelashes not only draw attention to the eyes but also protect them from dust, allergens and other debris from falling into the eyes by simply acting as sensors. It has also been proved that longer eyelashes are not only for the beauty conscious but also health related. But due to certain factors like age, nutritional deficiency, genetics, hormonal imbalance, certain medical problems, eye infections, rubbing the eyes roughly, sleeping without removing eye makeup, they can all harm your eyelashes over time. So are you suffering from thin eyelashes? Do you want to grow them naturally without using cosmetic methods? Then this video is going to help. Coconut oil is the natural remedy for promoting both eyelashes and eyebrow growth. It makes the eyelashes look bolder and thicker without harming your eyes. Always look for cold pressed virgin coconut oil for healthy eyelashes, and regular follow up of this coconut oil will keep the improvements growing. So why will coconut oil help your eyelashes? Well, coconut oil is a natural oil that can be safely used around the eyes, including your lashes. It acts as a natural moisturiser to the lashes to prevent the dust and allergens getting into the eyes. It is composed of vitamin E, minerals and other essential nutrients that moisturise the area and stimulate the growth of eyelashes. It penetrates the eyelash follicles to stimulate its hair growth. It's very capable of fighting against hair related issues like dandruff, itchiness and other fungal infections in which some people will get on their lashes. It provides a natural lubricant to the eyes and also to make the lashes soft and shine. It strengthens the lashes to prevent them from falling or breaking and thus promote its growth. So how do you use coconut oil for eyelashes? Well, all you're going to need is a tub of 100% natural coconut oil, make sure there's no added ingredients, and a couple of cotton swabs. Here are the step-by-step instructions for applying coconut oil to your eyelashes. Make sure your eyelashes are completely clear of any makeup or anything else. Take a small bit of coconut oil with a cotton swab and gently apply it to your eyelashes, just like you would with your mascara. Leave it on overnight and it's really that simple. Typically this is what you should expect in your first week. So after taking your evening shower, apply the coconut oil. The first time you use it you will probably apply too much, so you can apply the residue on your eyebrows. You will probably be pleasantly surprised by how lightweight the coconut oil felt on the lashes. At some point you're going to get coconut oil on your eyes. Your vision may go blurry for a while, but after a while it will return to normal. The next morning it will feel like the incident never even happened. And then you'll discover coconut oil doesn't hurt your eyes at all. You may also find that after putting the coconut oil on your lashes after a few days that you prefer to use liquid coconut oil. If at any stage you decide to break the rules and put mascara during on in the daytime, you will find coconut oil an excellent makeup remover if you don't have any handy wipes. As the week progresses you will notice that your eyelashes will become much bendier and softer to touch, without any fallout whatsoever. All you need to do is just keep up the routine. At the end of the first week they will be softer, more hydrated and glossier. They'll even feel nicer to touch. By applying this method, lashes will get nourishment and it doesn't require that much time or effort. As regards eyelash growth, you will not see much improvement, but if you continue over the following weeks, then you should start seeing improvements in growth. To end, here are some additional tips and precautions to follow for getting longer, luxurious eyelashes. Number 1. Avoid wearing fake eyelashes with an adhesive, as it may cause some allergies or irritation to the eyes, especially to contact lenses. Number 2. Application of cosmetics around the eyes will make them red and irritated, but the usage of coconut oil won't cause any harm to the eyes and it helps for the growth of eyelashes when applied around the eyes on a regular basis. Number 3. Wash your eyes at night before sleeping to remove the makeup, dust and also to relieve the stress on your eyes, which in turn helps for the growth of eyelashes. Number 4. Make sure to toss out your old mascara as it grows bacteria after usage of 3 to 4 months. Number 5. Coconut oil is a natural and safe product when used in moderate amounts. It won't cause any side effects or skin irritations. Finally, number 6. In a study it was found that coconut oil is the best one that reduces the protein loss of hair and thereby prevents it from getting dry and damaged. The fatty acids in coconut oil will prevent breakage and enhance healthy hair growth when compared to other oils. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to get thick and longer eyelashes using coconut oil and the results you should expect. And if you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the 20 health benefits and uses of coconut oil. Thanks for watching and bye for now.